Satyajit Paul, a boy from Meerut, was born to parents who worked at construction site for their daily wages. His father's name is Krishnan Paul, was an old man of age 45, strived the whole day hard just to make his son a respectable person who must have a respectable name of his own. Satyajit Paul got admission in Mohan Jaising High School with hopes of becoming someone who may retain the happiness in the life of his parents. Satyajit was skinny and shabby. When he got into school and looks odd between other children due to his low income status, many a time the children of high income status family used to constantly taunt him due to his weird looking. But this child Satyajit had a fire in his eyes, a vision to be someone which made this constant taunting a buff to him. Instead of his poor income status, this boy made study with his companion. He was showed a large amount of respect for the school teachers who never differentiate between him and other high income student. They were constantly there to help him, especially his teacher Bhattacharya, who fed him the love for his country. Due to which Satyajit joined army in his manhood. He paid his farewell to his parents by saying, "I wanted you all to be respected parents." He joined army, a paid service to his mother nation by loyalty. Whereas Sangam Singh, a politician born to landlords in Uttar Pradesh, lust of money made his life a constant run for constant money earning. The cherishing behavior for money had made a big loss to the nation. The most climatic war which happened between India and China, Sangam Singh was a politician who was made a director of releasing army artifacts. Mysore Armories, a company dealing with manufacturing of army artifacts, made a huge mistake in the making of body shields for the army. Remaking of these army shields was not possible, it would be a great loss to the company. Therefore, they approached Sangam Singh and offered a bribe to him to release these army shields as safe to soldiers instead of suffering their loss. Satyajit Paul, a soldier who served the nation for 6 years as a lieutenant of Gurkha Rifles, C-42 batch, was leading 26 armed Gurkha warriors in the Panderi Way against the Chinese army who had violated their boundary. These 26 Gurkhas, led by Satyajit, was armed by the same armories which was made and released by Mysore Armories. Made by Sangam Singh resulted in the death of these 26 Gurkhas. Hence there was no accusation on anyone. This negligence was buried deep into files with the pressure of his money. The parents of Satyajit Paul were honored for their child who died in the war. But no one knows Satyajit died just due to negligence.